This is the perfect push day, effectively and efficiently targeting your chest, your side delts, and your triceps. We're going to kick things off with an incline dumbbell press, targeting your upper clavicular chest. Keep your elbows more tucked as opposed to flared here. That's going to allow you to lengthen the pec more at the bottom of the movement. And as you press, think about pressing up and back at a slight angle over your face. Hitting these hard in the 5 to 9 rep range at an RPE of 9 or 10. Onto a flat dumbbell press, now targeting our mid-sternal chest in a more lengthened position. Really focus on slowing down and controlling the negative here and go as deep as you can to fully lengthen that pec. Hitting this one as well in the 5 to 9 rep range. Moving on to a chest fly, now targeting our mid-sternal chest again, but this time in a more shortened position. We want to make sure we have a significant bend in those elbows on the negative here. That's going to ensure that tension stays on that pec. Fly forward and think about bringing your elbows together at the top of the movement, squeezing and holding that contraction with your chest. We're going to superset the next two movements, starting with a standard dumbbell lateral raise targeting our side delts. Think about sweeping the weight out away from you in an arc, raising the dumbbells up in the scapular plane, keeping your elbow in front of your shoulder and your wrist in front of your elbow. Hitting that for 6 to 10 reps and then immediately moving into heavy partials. We're going to perform these just like a normal lateral raise. You just shouldn't be able to lift it higher than a quarter to a half rep. Control the weight, resist the urge to use momentum to swing the dumbbells up. Next, we're going to do a tricep row press down targeting the long head of our triceps. Take a few steps away from the cable machine, lean forward in your upper body slightly, keep your shoulders back and be sure to flare your elbows at a 30-degree angle off your torso. Lock everything into place and from here extend your arms until they're completely straight. Squeeze and hold that contraction for a second before letting the weight come back down. Hitting these in the 6 to 10 rep range and then immediately moving into a half kneeling push down. Kneel down and keep your elbows comfortably flared, lock them into place. From here, extend your arms driving to the base of your palms until you reach full elbow extension, taking these to complete failure including partial reps.